Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Managing references accurately is essential for academic integrity and successful publication. With the growth of research output, traditional reference handling has become time consuming and error prone. Artificial intelligence has enhanced reference management tools by automating citation extraction, PDF annotations, duplicate detections, and smart recommendations. In this lecture, we will discuss four widely used reference management tools: EndNote with AI features, Zotero, Mendeley, and RefWorks. For each tools, we will cover its background, functions, advantages, limitation, and historical development. The first one is EndNote. EndNote is a professional reference management software developed by Clarivate. EndNote was first released in 1988. It is widely used by researchers working on large and complex projects. Functionally, EndNote allows users to collect, organize, annotate, and cite references automatically. Its AI-enhanced features include smart reference matching, automatic metadata extraction from PDFs, and duplicate references detections. EndNote is commonly used in systematic reviews, this and high-impact journal submissions. The strength of EndNote include powerful citation styles, offline access, and strong word integrations. However, it is a paid software and beginners may find it complex to use. Zotero is a free open source reference management tools was launched in 2006. It is a popular among students, educators, and independent researchers. Its main functions include automatic citation capture from browser, PDF strong annotation, tagging, and reference organization. Zotero uses AI assistant metadata extraction to identify article details from PDFs. The major advantages of Zotero are that it is a free open source and easy to use. However, cloud storage is limited in the free version and advanced collaboration features are relatively basic. Mendeley is a reference manager and academic social network owned by Elsewhere. Mendeley was funded in 2008. Elsewhere acquired this in 2013. It combines citation management with research collaboration. Functionally, Mendeley enables reference organization, PDF annotation, citation generation, and AI-based article. AI-based article recommendation based on user libraries. It is widely used for collaborative research and literature discovery. The strength of Mendeley includes it, its clean interface, good synchronization, and recommendations engine. Limitation includes dependence on Elsewhere ecosystem and reduced features in recent version. RefWorks is a web-based reference management tool developed by the Procuse in 2001, designed primarily for institutional and library-based users. Its functions include reference storage, citation generation, collaboration, and automatic citation import from database. AI assistant features help with the metadata accuracy and duplicate identification. The advantages of RefWork includes strong international support, easy collaboration, and no local institution installation required. However, however, it requires institutional access and offers limited offline functionality. To summarize, EndNote is ideal for advanced researchers and systematic reviews. Zotero is best for free and open sources users. Mendeley support collaboration and discovery, and RefWorks is suitable for institution-based academic environments. The choice of tools depends on research scale, collaboration needs, and access to institutional resources.
Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.